Today, we're going to reveal the top 3 best robo vacuums of 2023 that will make your life a lot easier. These high-tech vacuums not only clean your house, but also save time and energy. So let's get started. The first product on our list is the iRobot Roomba Y7 Plus. With advanced mapping and navigation technology, this vacuum can clean an entire level of your house. The best part? It automatically empties its own dustbin, so you don't have to worry about it for weeks. It also has a high-efficiency filter that captures 99% of allergens and dust particles. Second on our list is the Neato Botvac D7 Connected. With a unique D-shaped design, this vacuum reaches every corner of your house effortlessly. It also has a high-performance filter that captures pet hair and dander, making it ideal for pet owners. The laser mapping technology is another highlight that makes it efficient and fast. Last but not least, we have the ecovacsdeebot N8 Pro Plus. This vacuum combines both vacuuming and mopping functions in one. It also has Osmo Trademark Pro 2.0 technology that ensures an efficient and thorough cleaning process. It also has advanced intelligent mapping that helps it learn the house's layout, which it can detect if it encounters an unfamiliar area. We hope this video helped you discover some of the best robo-vacuums of 2023. Remember, investing in a good vacuum can save you a lot of time and energy in the long run. Let us know in the comments which vacuum did you like the most, and don't forget to like and subscribe.